Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to make a quick and easy corner bookmark out of fabric scraps. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need 3 pieces of fabric measuring 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. I'm using 2 different fabrics, one for the corner piece that comes over the top of the page, and then another fabric for the portion that hides behind the page. 3 pieces of paper-backed iron-on adhesive measuring 3 inches by 3 inches. I'm using the sewable version of Heat and Bond. You can find a written version of this supply list and the measurements on debsdays.com. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. Center 1 piece of Heat and Bond on the wrong side of the fabric that you want for the corner. Iron it onto the fabric, following the directions on your Heat and Bond packaging. Set those other pieces of Heat and Bond aside. We'll be using those later. Let it cool. And peel off the paper backing. Fold the piece of fabric in half diagonally. You may need to use your finger to get the fabric creased at that fold. And press. We want to make sure that Heat and Bond secures the piece. Put 1 square with the right side facing up. Add the triangle to the upper right corner. Lay the other square on top with the right side facing down. Pin it or clip it into place to hold it. Stitch around the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a couple of inches open at the bottom for turning. Clip the corners. Now center a piece of Heat and Bond onto one side of the fabric. Iron it in place. Don't remove the paper yet. Flip the fabric over and do the same with the other side. And let it cool. Peel off the paper backing off of both sides. Go ahead and turn it right side out. You may need to stick something inside to get those corners to poke out. I just used the end of a pair of scissors. Now we need to make sure we get that open side closed. Fold it under a 1/4 inch and press it. While you're at it, go ahead and press the rest of the bookmark. Both sides. Since we have that Heat and Bond in there, it's going to secure it together nicely. Now top stitch all the way around, close to that outer edge. And then you have a corner bookmark. It's a very quick and easy project to make. If you'd like to see more sewing and craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to more sewing and crafting videos. See you next week with another project.